Okay, so just add the PNG in Figma. Now create a rectangle on top of it. Now select both of them, right click, use as mask, and now if you click on it, you'll be able to change the fill, the gray, and switch from gray to whatever other color you want. You can even do gradients. You can even replace the image. For example, we can replace it with this one, and we can resize it and do whatever we want. But this is how you change the color of a PNG icon, unlike any other PNG. But just keep in mind, it only recognizes the outline of the PNG. So if there's like an icon that has a lot of colors, it won't separate the actual colors. It will just recognize the outline of the shape, and you will be able to change it in only one uh, color of the mask layer. So yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you change it in Figma, and that's it.